Today, we're going to take a look at number stories using calculators. So if you happen to have a calculator with you, great. If you do not have access to a calculator, that's okay. Just follow along with me. Take a look at the calculator before we begin. We have the clear button. All right. Right here we have the equal sign. We find it right here on our calculator, right where that finger's pointing. If I had others, let's see. Let's do the addition sign or the plus sign. That means we're going to add, make things bigger, um, joining or change to more type of number stories. And it's right here on our calculator. And the last symbol I want to talk about is the subtraction symbol, the takeaway. So that means we have a big number and we're taking away some from it and we end up with a smaller number. All right, so what I want to do is go back to the symbols and I want to get our equal sign. That's an important symbol to use. Again, on our calculator here, we have the clear sign, the equal symbol, the addition or plus sign, and the subtraction sign. All right, think back to when we actually had to solve some number stories. We used different tools before. We've used counters, we've used our fingers, and lots of drawings as well, correct? Yes. So we're going to look at a joining or a change to more number story. So let's take a look. Here's my first example. I had 6 toy cars. What number do you think we need to click on the calculator or push? It's going to be the number 6. Now it says change to more. The next sentence is going to give us the next part of our addition problem. I got 4 more. So we're going to click plus sign. We're going to click 4, and then we're going to click equals. So we would have 6 plus 4 equals 10. The 6 that I clicked before had represented the 6 toy cars. We knew that I got 4 more, so we had to do the addition symbol, and 4 represents the other 4, the 4 more. When I click on the equal sign, I was able to get 10. What number did I get? 10. Good job. Now we're going to clear that out. You are able to get the number 10 by adding the two numbers together. Yes, we can just say it. Calculators help us double check our work. Now, if I had 10 cars, 1, 0, oh, I pushed clear. 1, 0. See the 10 right here? I gave away 2. So is my number story getting bigger or smaller? Smaller. It is a takeaway story. So I need this symbol here, minus. I took or gave 2 cars away. 10 minus 2. Hold up 10 fingers, take away 2, count the amount that you're left with. What does it equal? Here's our equal sign, 8. 10 minus 2 equals 8. There you go. I'm going to clear it. You may clear your calculator if you happen to have one with you. All right, let's think about one more number story. And this time we are going to do a number story that is a change to more. So that means it's an addition. All right, let's see. I have 2 cookies. So which number are we going to press? 2, good. Then my friend, Mrs. Phillips, gave me 6 more cookies. By the way, she bakes some really yummy cookies. I've had them. So let's plus 6 equals. That means I have 8 cookies in all, which is really exciting because actually tonight I'm going to bake cookies with my own family. All right, let's clear it. Point to the screen And say it out loud. Which button do I need to push in order to clear out the screen? Did you say the C? C for clear? Absolutely. Now, I want you to think about when and why you might choose to use a calculator. When would you use it instead of another tool, such as counters or drawing it out? Would you use it if you had to figure out bigger numbers? I'll give you an example. Today, my daughter Eve was doing third grade math and she had to find the answer for 27 times 15. The directions told her she could use the calculator, so she did. And she did 27 times 15 and she got her answer. Now in kindergarten, we're not typically doing our multiplication, correct? So we don't really use these two symbols. You won't use those until older grades. But think about a time that you might have to use a calculator. Here's one. There are 22 children in our class, but 5 went home sick. Oh, goodness. How many children are still left in school? I'll show you. 22 minus 5 equals. There would be 17 left. Now I'm going to clear it. Here's another one. If I had 21 weekdays and 10 weekend days next month, how many days are there all together? Well, that means I have to add. All together means to add 21 plus 10. What do you think it is? Oh, I pushed clear again. Sorry, guys. 21 plus 10. 31 days. What I want you to do is practice number stories with a family member. If you would like to record it, that's great. Send it to your teacher so we can see how you're working with the calculator. Calculators can be found on cell phones, computers, iPads, iPhones, and in my house, we actually have the old school calculators. We have 5 of them, and we use them when we need them for math. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson, and I hope that you can give me a number story in any form you see fit. Thank you. Miss you guys.